Yes, it's totally possible to turn $1,000 into millions with crypto, but it's not very likely. I think it's more likely that you would get struck by lightning. I'm sure somebody has run the numbers on this. And to your other points, which many people share, like, why are we talking about this? I only have a little bit of money. I'm trying to make money this bull run. I don't want to be buying Bitcoin. I only have $100. I only have $1,000. I want to invest in something that's going to grow. How can I identify winning altcoins and meme coins early? Because that's where the gains are. Brother, sister, you can't. This is a venture style investment. Almost all crypto is. What that means is, in venture capital, people are putting in money based on a vision, based on a promise, a hope, and a prayer, in order to return multiple times their investment, many more multiples than if they were to invest in a company that already exists, which the market is already sort of priced in. They want to be the people to provide the initial liquidity to make the product real, so that as everybody else comes to invest later, that's when they'll make their big money. Most crypto tokens are like that. Most crypto tokens don't have a product or service behind them, especially new meme coins. It's all about hype and attention. Those people who get in early, usually they're registered investors. The people who are investing in, Cardano, Near, Algorand, whatever, who found those altcoins early. The people who got them earliest were the people who led the seed round, the Series A round. And then after them, when the tokens went public or got airdropped, the people who bought them first, usually there's like a dump as those initial people get out. But then the people who bought them first, they're looking for the first pump to get out. Or if they held their bags, they're salty. They're waiting for the price to come up again, something like Algorand, Cardano, ICP has a lot of salty bag holders who are just waiting for prices to go up to dump it again. I don't think that those products are, if they have a high price, it's not necessarily a reflection of the value that they actually contribute to the economy. And so, getting in early with meme coins are more fair. There are no VCs. Usually the supply is dripped right at the start, but you got to be a total insider. You got to know first. And then it's just so aggressively PvP, player versus player, dog eat dog. Most people get too greedy. I think the best thing to do with any investment in crypto is never to spend more money than you could afford to lose. If you're thinking about investing your savings, I got this savings for my family and I want to grow it, don't put it in crypto. If you're going to miss that money, if it goes away, don't put it in crypto, and especially don't put it in altcoins or meme coins. If you are dead set committed, there's a gun to your head, you got to put it in crypto. I recommend you do the USDC thing. Earning 5% is great per year. That is awesome. And you can do that right now on Coinbase with up to $30,000. There's risk putting assets on a centralized exchange, but it is so much lower than the